Hi everyone, I'm Eric Woodcraft, AIFD, floral contributor for Florist Review magazine. And today I'm going to share with you an elevated candle centerpiece that is very dynamic and interesting that I know your customers will love. So let's get started and I'll share with you how I created this design. To begin with, I've created this design using candles, glass water tubes, the Oasis Mega Wire. I've also incorporated Oasis floral adhesive, which I'll share with you in just a little bit. This is an incredible design because although it may feel very traditional, it has very contemporary elements about it. And so it's really great because you can sell it to a client that might live in a very contemporary condo and they will love it. Likewise, you could take it to your grandmother's home and she'll think it's just very beautiful as well. So it's definitely the contemporary but the traditional, and that's what I love about this design. The beautiful fragrant freesia is intoxicating, and then these incredible white roses that are avalanche. There's some pears tucked in. I've incorporated some camellia and then also some copper-toned leucadendron. The candles, when they're lit and they sparkle against the glass of the water tubes, and the accents of the gold really set it all off. So definitely give this one a try if you're inspired to create it. Thanks for watching today and have a great day.